In this video, I will show you guys step by step an easy and fast way that you can use to start making money with affiliate marketing as a beginner without investing any money in paid ads. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. As you can see over here, I made $16,972 in commission with affiliate marketing just in one single month, okay? In the month of October, from the first day until the day 31, and it's paid. I already received this payment in my PayPal account. This is my invoice, okay? Anyway, for people who are interested to start making money with affiliate marketing as beginners, for people who are beginners, they want to make money, you guys need to follow those steps, those strategies that I will share with you in this video. And if you guys skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't start making commissions like this. Anyway, step number one, go to Google and search for this website. Search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to company and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying some good commissions. Some commissions can be up to $150, which make this business the profitable affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. So just click here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have any website, you can say no, and choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. Okay, what you will do next, you need to choose good services that you should start promoting if you want to earn commission. Easy and fast way, use these services that I will share with you, and I will share with you how we can find people who will be interested to buy those services from you. Okay, pay close attention. Go back to your home page on Fiverr like this. So what we'll do, click on the search for gaming video editing, search for this service. Okay, search for gaming video editing. I want you to pay close attention. Like I said, scroll down and here you go. You will find a lot of people here who are providing those services on Fiverr. What you will do next is you need to choose a good seller. Always choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers who has a lot of reviews, because if people click on your affiliate link, they will check the feedback of those sellers, they will check the reviews of those sellers. If those sellers are good sellers, they will also trust those sellers and they will buy this service from you, so you can earn commission. So I will choose, for example, I can see this one is top rated seller, which is really good, over 1000 reviews. I will click on his service like this and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. You guys can see that the seller has over 1000 reviews, 5 orders in queue, people keep coming back, meaning that the service is working and a lot of people already paid for the service and they are still coming back and buying more services from the seller, which makes this business really, this is the proof that this business is really working. So what you will do, you will copy the link of the seller, copy the profile link of the seller, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here, you have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments, post back, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link and put this affiliate link, this seller profile link here. Click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you will do next, you need to promote this affiliate link using free traffic. So what you will do next, it's super easy. Open your Facebook homepage. All of you guys have Facebook accounts. Open your Facebook account homepage like this. Click on the search for YouTube gamers. Okay, pay close attention again. You have here filters. Scroll down, click on groups. We need Facebook groups, and here you go. You will find a lot of Facebook groups that you can join and that you can use to start promoting your services as a beginner. Let's scroll down to see if we can find some good groups. YouTube gaming world, we have YouTube gamers. I will check, for example, this group. I will click on this one and you will be directly in this group. Let's scroll down, and here you go. You guys can see this person has a gaming YouTube channel, and he put his YouTube video gaming link here in this group. So why those people are putting their gaming videos links here? They want to grow their YouTube channels. They want to get more views, more subscribers. They have small YouTube channels, and those people are your client. Those people are your customers. So those people will be interested to buy this service, gaming video editing service, to edit their YouTube gaming videos to make them more professional, more engaging, so people can keep watching those videos, and those sellers will get more subscribers, more views, and grow their gaming YouTube channels. If that makes sense, I'm sharing with you the service, and I'm sharing with you people who will be interested to buy those services from you. Okay, and there is more. Okay, so what you will do next, just click on this person name and you will be directly in his Facebook page over here. You guys can see. So we will send a professional message to this person with our affiliate link. So what you will do to create a professional message, go to Google and search for ChatGPT. Okay, and you can copy this message. I ask ChatGPT to create a friendly message that I can send to people on Facebook groups to buy gaming video editing service from my Fiverr affiliate link, and here you go. He created this amazing message, which is really good. You just need to copy this message like this and go back to Facebook to this person and put your message here. You need to put your affiliate link here. Okay, so let me show you. It's super easy, guys. So what you will do next, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. And for you guys, if you just created a Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years, and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here. And this affiliate link is too much long, so I will make it short link. You guys can use Bitly if you want to make your affiliate links short links. Just put your affiliate link here and click on create your link, and here you go. Your affiliate link will be short link. Let me show you. This is your short affiliate link. You can copy this link, go back to Facebook and put, let me show you. So you need to put your affiliate link here, and that's it, and click on send, and your message will be sent to this person with your affiliate link. So if this person is still interested and he is interested to grow his gaming YouTube channel, he will get back to you and he will answer you. If he has any question, he will ask you. You just need to convince this person to buy the service, and this service is really important and can help him to grow his YouTube channel fast. And that's it. That's how we can start making this. This is the easy and the fast way to make money with affiliate marketing as a beginner. I show you guys which service you should start promoting, and I show you how we can find people who will be interested to buy those services from your affiliate link. So what's left is your work. If you can't make commissions like this, the problem is you, because the business model is clear. And that's it. For people who keep asking me, do I have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. For people who are interested, you guys can reach out to me in my email address, and you will get access to me personally, and I will follow with you step by step and share with you my affiliate marketing course and explain to you everything and more about this business. And I want also to explain this, that this commission that I made, it didn't come from just Facebook groups, of course not. I'm using YouTube, I'm using TikTok, Instagram, and so much more. That's it, and see you in my next videos.